everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your height on Calibre Strength Training app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded Calibre app on your device. Once you download it, simply tap on it, and once you open up it, it will land up you to home page that is shown as shown here. It will take some second, please have patience. Now tap on menu on bottom right corner. Next tap on my account, and here tap on personal information. Next, here simply tap on height section. So here you can change your height. Once you select it, tap on save button. So this is how you can change your height on Calibre Strength Training app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.